Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX, welcome back. I'm just going to take you through one of our older strategies, F10, on trading on the EuroBund. Now, what I like about this system is really there's not a lot of work to it. There's no real adjustments that have been made to it. It's been tracking very well. We haven't really even kind of needed to do any kind of stop or target adjustment because it's just been tracking so solidly. So let's have a look at the performance. Now remember, this is trading on a smaller account, so your 10, 15, 20k account, and it's just been solid for that 6 months. It's produced around about $6,400. So on a 10k account, you've got a 64% return over 6 months. That's super. Now profit factor is 1.74. Our average trade net profit is $49.95. That's from our live trade, so that's obviously more accurate than tested data. So you're going to find that when you're looking at live data, you're trying to get your average trade net profit above 50. So for this system at 49, that's kind of right where we need it. Ideally, we'd want it a little bit higher, but that's okay. We've got our commissions built in there. We also have our max drawdown of 1,069. It's just over the $1,000 mark for max drawdown, so 10% drawdown on a 10k account. That's okay because we know it's solid. It's produced some really good results, and as we mentioned before, it's just tracking well. The ratio of average winner to loser 1.86. And as I mentioned before, the largest winning trade 9.12, the largest loser $210. So $210 on the strategy is quite acceptable on the smaller account as well. So this is really an ideal system. Now remember, it is only trading the long side, and there's been a massive long bias this year, so that's okay. We're doing well with the longs only. So if there is a change in the market dynamics, we would need to adjust our strategy accordingly and start looking at a potential short strategy, which we have a number of trading on the EuroBund. So traders, F10 again, just very, very consistent. Obviously had a stellar January, February. March was good, April okay, May okay, slightly down in June, and then bouncing back nicely in July. So I'm expecting that this system will continue to do well as long as we have that long bias. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But again, just a fantastic strategy. And for the smaller account, that's perfect because you're not getting a huge number of trades, but enough to turn the account over and build a solid track record. And really, at the end of the day, you're just looking to put together a solid performance. Keep your positive returns coming, and you can see there that the automation just kind of takes care of itself as far as making sure that you get all the trades. That's one of the massive advantages to automated trading, is that it doesn't matter what you're doing, the trades go on. So you're not going to miss any trades. There's no inbuilt bias on the systems as far as your interpretation of whether you should be taking a trade setup or not. It's basically the algorithm trades the strategy as per the methodology, and that's it. So that's the fantastic thing about automation. So again, thank you for your time, and just a quick recap of one of our long-standing, really not a lot of work to be done on F10, so that's one of the not quite set and forget, but there's not really a lot of maintenance on that strategy. So thanks for your time, have a fantastic day, and we'll catch you on our next update. Cheers. Thanks for joining us today, traders. If you'd like to become part of our team in 2014, all you need to do is contact either myself or Luke at info@gmtfutures.com, and we can get you started pretty much straight away. So if you've always wanted to become a professional trader and you want to start using a high performance automated system, then definitely send us an email, info@gmtfutures.com or shane@gmtfutures.com, or you can either give us a call at 617-336-00875 and we can get you started straight away. So any questions, feel free to send them through. Otherwise, have a fantastic day, and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.